how to connect your bank account to Xero. This feature is useful if you want to automate and manage all your transactions directly inside the Xero app. To get started, open your Xero dashboard and go to the Accounting section. From there, select Bank Accounts and click on Add Bank Account in the top right corner. Next, use the search bar to find your bank. Once you locate your bank from the list, select it and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account. Choose the option to continue and log in through your bank. The process may look slightly different depending on which bank you use, but the steps are generally the same. After your bank account is successfully connected to Xero, return to the Bank Accounts section and select your linked account. Click on Reconcile to view your banking transactions and easily match or import them into your Xero account. This helps you keep your financial records updated and makes managing transactions much easier.